cartridge.
By the end of today, you'll know exactly how to play Jingle Bells on the guitar. So we've got a fun lesson in store today. So if your guitar playing is a little bit buzzy and the notes don't quite sound correct and you feel a little bit frustrated, I'm just going to quickly go through 3 things that are going to help with that and to get you to sound the notes correctly before we jump in to playing Jingle Bells. Okay, so the first one is we want to play on our fingertips rather than the fleshy part. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to draw a line on my fingertip and hopefully you can see that. So that's about where the string wants to be on your fingertips. Okay? The fleshy part of the finger isn't great for pushing the strings down because it's soft. Here we've got more bone. And that means that we always want our fingers to be curled into the strings. That's number 1. So number 2 is that when we play notes, we want to be behind the fret. So this metal strip here is what we call the fret, and this is what we call the first fret. So we don't want to be on the fret like this. We want to be at the side of the fret. And that's the easiest place to push the string down. Okay, so once we're at the side of the fret, we want to keep the string pinned to the fretboard. So we don't want to release the pressure, because what can happen is if we get a really nice sounding note and we let go, then we get that buzzing sound again. So you've got to keep the string pinned to the fretboard. Okay, so then the third thing is thumb placement. So our thumb wants to be pointing upwards and on the back of the neck, because there we can get more leverage between the thumb and the fingers, and that helps with more pressure on pushing the strings down. Try those 3 things and it will cure the buzziness and get you to sound some really clear notes. Now back to Jingle Bells. I hope you enjoy today's session.
Have you ever struggled to learn guitar? We are here to help you find your fun and power your confidence. Guitar Star in 30 Days is a fun-filled guide to learning guitar for children 6+, packed with challenges, facts, and quizzes to make kids smile. So, get involved, get creative, and remember, you're amazing! Take your Guitar Star in 30 Days challenge today by visiting davidguitarcoach.co.uk. See you in class! Let your light shine!
and you want more guitar adventures with me and Bumper, make sure to subscribe to the channel. That way you'll be notified when I post new exciting videos just like this one. Every time you play it, it's just going to get that little bit faster. And before you know it, you'll be playing it as fast as I can play it. Because I see this all the time with the students I teach in person and teach online. They become really fast at playing the notes, but it doesn't happen straight away. So have a little patience and you'll get there. Now, if you'd love some more Christmas songs to play, then in the description of this video, I have a playlist with the most popular Christmas songs that everyone is going to know. And you can then delight your family and friends with this at Christmas. I'm really appreciative that you made it to the end of today's session. Thumbs up and well done. I congratulate you and honor you for still being here